Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook one of the best boneless chicken recipes for dinner. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, please leave a comment to introduce yourself. I would love to hear from you. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Share some love and subscribe. For those who already subscribed, I really appreciate your support. I really appreciate those positive comments. Continue to share and like my videos as well. Now let's go straight into this video. This is my boneless chicken that was seasoned yesterday. I've accidentally made an error and delete that video. So basically what I've done is to remove the bone from the chicken. I've then washed it with vinegar and lemon and then cut it into smaller pieces. To season the chicken, I've used some jerk seasoning powder, some cayenne pepper, some paprika, about a teaspoonful of flour and some green jerk seasoning paste. Now this green jerk seasoning paste was made by myself. That was not recorded. So if you want to know how I've made my green jerk seasoning paste, please drop me a line. I'm more than happy to do a video. I'll make a video of that green jerk seasoning paste. I already have the pan heat. The oil is now heated. Just maybe a few spoons of virgin olive oil in the pan here, and I'm just gonna add the chicken now in it. I'm also gonna add a few more ingredients to this as well, but at a later stage. Just gonna cover this for a few minutes, then maybe about 10 or so minutes since I started to cook this boneless chicken. If you see the amount of water there, because there's natural water in the meat itself, I haven't added any from a liquid. I'm just gonna allow this to maybe cook for the next 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna add the other ingredients. The chicken is now more than halfway through the cooking process. This is some sweet chili sauce. I'm just going to add some sweet chili sauce to this. Also, this is some baby corn. What I've done is just break them in half, and this is some manjut. So I'm going to add all of this in the pan. What the manjut and the baby corn does is to add some colors and textures to this recipe. If you notice, I haven't added any form of liquid apart from the sweet and sour sauce. And I'm just gonna put back the lid on the pot and allow this to cook Okay, this is now cooked. Look at it, look at the sauce. How thick this is. Wow. This looks absolutely delicious. Of course, with the contrast of the baby corn and the manjut as well. I'm just gonna have this with some plain white rice. So I'm gonna dish some out shortly and have a taste for you to see. Okay, so I'm going to have a taste of this delicious meal. I'm having this boneless chicken with some plain white rice. So let's have a go. Let's start with the chicken first. I mean, this looks absolutely lovely. Wow. Wow. It tastes absolutely lovely. Wow. This is absolutely lovely. Remember, if this is your first time watching any of my videos, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment to introduce yourself, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye. Absolutely lovely.